Hi children, welcome back to online learning platform of SPPS Ilkal. Dear children, in the last session we have read the poem Wet World and learned meaning of new words, and also I have given homework. I am sure you have done neatly in your English notebook. So today in this session we are going to study about explanation of the poem and theme of the poem. Before we start, I would like to ask a few questions. Tell me students, do you like the rain? Do you like the rain? And when it's raining, how do you feel? Yes, I'm sure you all like the rain. And I too. When it's raining, you are curious to come outside and enjoy the rainy day. So, the author in this poem playing the role of young boy. Who is the author? Norma Simon. The author is playing the role of young boy. When the boy woke up in the morning, he found that it was raining. So let us know how did he feel that day? How did he feel that day? When the boy woke up in the morning, he found that it was raining. So the things which were outside were wet, like windows, trees, leaves, grass, streets, rooftops. So everything was wet, which were outside were wet. So he called it wet world. He called it wet world. He got ready and went down the stairs. He found his breakfast waiting for him. He had his breakfast. It was warm. Warm toast, warm cereal, and warm cocoa. After having breakfast, his body became warm. So he called it warm tummy. Tummy means stomach. After having breakfast, he wore a raincoat. It was very stiff. Stiff means very hard, and hard red boots over his wiggly toes. Wiggly toes means very active. And hat, coat, boots, these are rainy season materials, and he had required these and came out to the wet world. So he was walking on the road. At that time, the wet mud, sticky mud tugs his boots. Tugs means grab or pull his boots. The wet pavement flashes my boots. Pavement means footpath. Would pour the water over his boots. The raindrops were sprinkling from the hat, and the raincoat was dropping down the water. Rain water. The cars would go through the road. At that time, it would move by making rustling sound. And windscreen means front door glass. It had two wipers. They would wipe the glass, means clean the dust, wet raindrops by making sound. Wish away the wet. Wet puddles cover wet boots. Puddles means a small pool of water covered his boots. And when he came back to home, the boots are wet, but the feet inside the boots are dry. The coat is wet, but it keeps the body dry. And hat is wet, but it keeps the head dry. Dry me, wet world. The wet world dried him. The boy entered into the house and he found that his affectionate, lovely parents, warm mother, warm father, and warm stove to keep the room warm. So a wet world waited outside the house, and a warm bed waited inside his house. A warm kiss kissed him. It means his parents made him to sleep, and the boy slept. He completed his day and he enjoyed the rainy day. And he was looking for what kind of day would be ahead in the next day, a warm or wet. So, by wondering the next day, he slept and he completed his day. So this is the meaning of the poem, and recite this poem. I hope you have understood this poem. So now tell me, what is the theme of the poem? The beauty of the world. The beauty of the world. The world is so beautiful in all different kinds of climates and seasons. It may be wet, it may be dry and warm. The world is so beautiful. So this is the theme of the poem. I hope it is very clear to you all. Now your today's homework. Write the theme of the poem in English notebook one time and recite the poem with proper stress and intonation. Is it clear, students? I hope you understood today's class. So we will back with a new lesson in the next session. Till then, goodbye, see you again. Thank you. Have a nice day.